As per the Times of India newspaper today, amid pandemic, three IIM Ahmedabad students have taken a gap year. So, which came to me as a shock when I saw this thing. So, let's try to understand what news it is exactly. So, three students from the new batch of IIM Ahmedabad of 2022 batch took deferment due to the COVID-19 and the subsequent uncertainty, said Shailesh Gandhi, Dean Programs, IIM Ahmedabad. They'll be joining the next year batch, the 21-23 batch, along with you people. So, three students who have joined this year MBA, they have taken 1 year break. Yeah, normally B school don't permit student to abruptly drop out once they have admitted. But due to the coronavirus situation, they're allowing three students to do that. See, the lectures are happening online, so students are not that much happy, or maybe they can feel they are little bit scared कि यार placement होगा नहीं होगा, how the things will work out. So because of all these reasons, because of all the uncertainties around COVID-19, so three students, IIM Ahmedabad have permitted these three students to join the 21-23 batch. So they will be joining along with the next year batch. So those will be giving CAT 20 and joining in 21. So they will be joining along with these students. Now this is on a humanitarian basis they have allowed to do this. Normally you can't do that. But the moment if you are confirmed, you have to take the admission. But this is 2020, everything is happening. So this is the latest news which we are getting. If you ask me whether it's a good call or a bad call, I think it's not a great call. But ठीक है, अगले साल admission दे रहा तो obviously you are joining IIM Ahmedabad only. But because 2022, see, if they join the 2020 batch and pass on in 22, I hope market will recover by that time. By 22, market will recover. But of course, attending the lectures online, it's not a good deal. Maybe they are already having a job, so they want to continue with their work. Yep, so there are many reasons behind that, but this is a thing. Now, those who have taken the admission this year, you can try to approach your college and ask them if they can take a deferment. Most of B schools will say no, but in case you want to do that, you can do. Fine, deferment, who can ask for or who need a deferment is a batch who is going to pass out in 21. Yeah. Those are in second year now. They can take a break because this year placement is going to be go down. So what they can do, they can take a break this year. They have already completed 1 year. Take a break and then complete second year next year and then go for the job. But colleges will not allow to do that. ठीक है, तो यही बस देखना बाकी था. तो this is the latest news of 2020. Yeah, trust me यार, इसका ना 20 साल के बाद I'll be making the video. एक ज़माने में once upon a time you took admission in IIM Ahmedabad and rejected because of the fact of coronavirus. Rejected nahi hai, it is deferred by 1 year. So instead of this year, they will be joining the college next year. All right, all the best.